Hey guys, what is up? So I'm going to be starting a new series about a bunch of different old games, and just going to show me playing them and just kind of take y'all through an evolution of game, or gaming if you will, as far as video games are concerned. Anyways, so the first game we're going to be playing is the wonderful NIM, which I've actually never heard of before until this class that I'm taking. But basically, you have a bunch of matches, and you have 4 rows, and you and your opponent take turns taking matches, and the person who has to take the last match loses. So there is a method to this game, and I did warn it, but I'm just going to try to show y'all real quick. So it is more advantageous if you let your opponent go first. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to let the PC make the first move. Alright, so he took 1, so I'm going to take 1. And I am pretty slow at this, so I'm going to have to think about it some. No, so there's 2, 4. So I'll take that one. Alright, so now there's 1, 4, and 1. Take 1 there. It'll be 1, 4, 4, 1. Yeah. Okay, so he took that one. So I'll take this one. Alright, so now I'm actually right where I want to be, because I know that I'm going to win from this point on. So he takes 1, I take 1. He takes 1, I take 1. He takes 1, I take the other 2, and I leave him with it. Okay, so I did win, and it says, yay, congratulations, you win. But there is a lot that's going on behind that, so I'll try to explain that real quick. I have to close that. Okay. Anyways, so if you look at this, the easiest way to really kind of figure this out is to group it between groupings of 1, 2, and 4. So you have 1, you have 1, 2, you have 1, 4, and you have 1, 2, 4. So this is an even table, and the reason why it's even is because you want the same amount of groups. You want an even amount of groups. So you want 4 1s, like we have, and then there's 2 2s, right there and right there, and then there are 2 4s, these 4 and those 4. So you start with an even table, and if you let the PC go first, then he makes an uneven, and you just play it down until it's at the end. When you end your turn, he's left with an even amount of groups. What he was left with, 4 and a 4. The computer. So if you go first, you have to be more careful, which I actually haven't seen if I can do that one yet, so I'm about to find out. But so we'll try me going first and see if I can still pull this out for a win. So 1, 2. I guess I should go ahead and take 3. Let's just make that interesting, because I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so we have a 1, a 1, 4, and a 4. So we have 1, 1, and 4, 4. So if I can take, I need to be left with, I need to leave him with an even amount. So 4, 4, 1, 1. That's still going to be odd. If I only take 1 though from there, or if I take 2, that leaves it with the 2, 1, 1. Yeah, so let's try that real quick. So if I take 3 of them. That's 1, 2, 2, 2. So it's uneven now, which is still not what I want. Alright, so I think I might have already lost, but I'm going to play it out anyways. Yeah, I lost. So there we go. Anyways, so I haven't quite learned how to win if I don't go first, but I will get back to y'all on that later. That's all I'm going to do for this video, so I'll see y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoyed it.